Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is portable AC. This AC not working. That's mean we can switch it on but not making cold. That's mean compressor not getting start. This AC brand wise German cool 9000 BTU AC. This AC not making cold, because of that we have to repair this one, and we have to we have to troubleshoot the problem, and we will repair this machine. I will show you how to repair this one, and we will go to the next step. Now I will show you the specification here. This one you can see it is portable air condition model MAC 9000, cooling capacity 9000 BTU per hour, voltage 220, 240, 50 Hertz. Like that it is having specification here. Now first of all we have to remove the machine. That means we have to remove all cover here. After that only we can find out the compressor. This compressor not working. I will show you. Now I given already power connection. We will start the machine here like that through the remote. Now you can see here, this one auto cool mode, fan speed high, temperature I selected already 80. Now it should compressor run, but compressor not getting fan already working here. You can hear the noise. Also here condenser, the fan working, but it's not hot air making. You can see. Now we have to remove the machine, back of the machine we have to remove. After that only we can identify what is exactly problem. Sometimes maybe capacitor, otherwise compressor terminal. We have to check. This gas, actually it is the gas 407 gas. Now we have to check properly what is exactly problem, and we will go to the next step. First we have to remove the filter here. Here this is also here we have to remove this. This is evaporator, this is condenser. Now this both filter we have to remove. We have to remove all the screws are here. First we have to remove this handle. And this also we have to remove that. Now I handle. After that it's easy to remove. Top cover, now we can remove top cover here. So like that will come. Now here display connector we have to remove. Now we can remove side cover here. And this is evaporator, this one is condenser. You can see here it is actually, it is no any damage, nothing. This condenser also is very nice. Now we can remove back cover also here. Now we can remove here display. Here it's like that we can remove. This one never removed before. Nobody touched. Here we have to cut this. Very careful we have to cut this one, because this sensor, cooling sensor is already here. Now I can remove the front cover with the display, top cover. I will keep one side here. Now this side cover also I can remove here. You can see here two screws are downside. Now we can remove. This is two motors are here. That is, one is condenser, the evaporator blower motor. This is capacitor for the motor capacitor here. This motor is condenser cooling motor. Now we have to remove the front cover also with the panel. Here all the screws we have to remove because the compressor that side, because of that we have to remove all the screws are here. Here also one screw, otherwise it's not coming. Now you can see it is very easy to come. Also here lower motor here connection, lower motor connection. No need to remove harness assemble. We will remove the here lower motor. Here two screws. It is easy for us. Remove the motor easily. Now it's okay. Screw fell down here. Now you can see. Now we can take it out. Compressor here. This is the compressor. This compressor not getting start. Now I remove all the screws and covers, everything. Now what I'm going to do, I will give the power connection again here. And I will give the power connection and we will check why is compressor not getting start. Now I already fixed display. Also I will give the power connection again. I already given power. Also we will start the unit again. I already start. You can see here dear, this blower already start. Both blowers are working, but compressor still not get start. I will decrease the temperature here until 19, 18. Also mode, cool mode. Compressor not start still. This is the problem with this unit. I have to remove the terminal cup. Before that we will replace the capacitor and we will check. Compressor not start still. I will disconnect the power again. Now we will check first terminal cup here. We will remove the terminal cup. This is 8 number nut. Now we can remove the terminal cup here. Yes my dear, you can see here what is the problem. See this one. Here already terminal cup already got shorted. Because of that actually compressor not running. Now we can repair this one. After that we will fix this one. This is which one is already shorted here. Starting, running, common. This is running wire already shorted. Because of that only compressor not running. Now we will remove this one. This one already burned. We have to clean properly. After that we will check. First we will clean here. We will clean properly here with the now we can check compressor continuity. Now I already here clean properly, but you can see here this one terminal already gone. Because of that we have to use some alternative solution, because that it is already gone. This one running terminal, this one we have to use some connector bar or something. Anyway, we will check continuity here. This one I'm checking starting and running. You can see here it is already showing continuity is okay. Here it is okay. Continuity is okay. That's mean compressor not gone. We can use the compressor. Now we will check here overload protector. This one already this. You can see here it is already gone. We have to replace that one also. The overload. Yeah, it is overload is okay. Continuity is showing. Also, this is okay. We have to replace this one also okay, no any problem. But we have to replace this too. After that our problem will get resolved. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this one. I will cut and soldering here. Now I'm going to give power connection to the compressor. Terminal everything I already perfectly I clean. This terminal already gone. That means we cannot terminal clip we cannot fix, because already this one gone. It is came like a nail. Because of that I'm going to use this connector bar here like that. Otherwise it will get damaged again. Because of that now this is red one is red one is common. Red wire is common wire. I have to fix here. We can fix without any problem. Yes, it is already fixed here. Now we have to fix here. This is a starting wire. It is you can see here through the capacitor. It is here. This is the running. That's mean blue. Capacitor, from the capacitor is going black wire. That means it is starting here. This one starting wire. Yes, my dear friends, okay. Now I have to fix here common wire. That means I'm going to use this connector bar here. Yes, my dear friends, it is okay now. Now we can give the power connection and we will check one cycle. It is working or not one time. It should work actually if it is capacitor not damaged, it should work. Now we will give the power connection again and we will check. Now I already given power connection, also I given to power. Now we will start the machine here. Yes my dear, it is compressor start already, you can see here. It is decrease in timing. You can see here, this compressor start. It's making cool also. You can see here, it's making cool, good cool actually. The problem with the compressor terminal. Now I have to refix again everything. And you can see here it is flooding here. You can see here it is becoming water also. It will make good cool. Now you can see here it is making hot air because condenser fan also working properly, condenser getting warm. Here you can see here forming ice because this one is not closing properly. After closing it will disappear. It's forming ice here. And now we will fix and we will check. Now we have to fix A to Z again, all the covers and all. First we have to fix the terminal cover here and we will power off again. After repairing, while I'm going to refix the machine unit, he requested he need to refix and I'm given to refix to him and he fixed very well without any problem. Hi baby, how are you? You fixed already, huh? Now you know how to repair also? You can repair? Now I already fixed all the covers, everything. Now finally we will check one cycle, one time. Now I already given power connection. The machine already start here. It's 19 set temperature I set 18 Celsius. Now its mode is cool mode. You can see here it is compressor working, it's making very good cool. Yes, it is working fine. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.